as well. As autumn comes near, remember and keep the ones that's not with you in your prayers who won't hear with us as the season changes. People could do the same.
No longer disguise a bitch, cause I'm rich. I got cause good Lord of bitch, cause I'm rich. I escaped everyone in the list, cause I'm supposed to be rich. I don't care about no cop, I'm telling you just how it is.
Don't ever take life for granted.
Motherfuckers wanna turn on me. All of a sudden it took it like a cold summer went for the 13. What you trying to learn off me? Man, I've been telling them I've been doing this shit since birth, please. I've been trying to serve y'all fiends. Now it's just looking like I'm gonna have to ride shotty in the hearse seat. Cause I could've sworn I've been killing them all since 09 with my dope rhymes. I don't think they heard me. See you before, you wasn't what you now pretend to be. All of a sudden bitches coming out the vicinity. Style switched up, popped up with a hint of me. Little bit of something else, fuckers wanna be. I'm the same chick, same click with some Hennessy. Look around and I see a bunch of mini-me's. Bitch, fuck around and you'll end up like a Kennedy. Snows the product, you couldn't even fucking get a piece. Run, tell that bitch I didn't like that. Came right back and I got him off track. Told you way back when we didn't have cash and I swore to God it wouldn't.
No cop, I'm telling you just how it is.